This is the Onslow Bay 37 Tournament Edition, the newest addition to the Onslow Bay lineup. Sitting between the 33 and 41, delivers the perfect balance of hardcore fishing ability and family cruising comfort. At 37 foot 8 inches long with a 10 foot 6 inch beam, this boat commands attention. Its positive lift ventilated step hull with a 24-degree dead rise and 7-degree reverse chines are engineered for a stable, soft, dry, and fuel-efficient ride. With triple Merc 400 Verados, the 37 Tournament Edition can reach speeds in excess of 70 miles per hour, topping out at 82.
Powered by up to 1,500 horsepower, the 37 offers serious performance. With 540 gallons of fuel capacity spread across 3 tanks, this boat is built for long runs offshore, keeping you in the bite all day. Out in the helm area, you have 3 LaPorte captain's chairs, 2 of the large MFD displays from Garmin, your full switch controls, Garmin autopilot, Mercury engine control and display screen, and a full glass enclosure and bar work and grab rails to help keep you stable while riding. In the rear of the boat, we have one 68-gallon live well, as well as one 73-gallon live well, coupled with a ton of extra tackle storage and drawers for any extra things you have on there. Moving to the bow of the boat, you have even more storage for fish and things along that line. You have 2 massive fish boxes on either side of the helm. You have one big, huge one up front, another very large live well in the front, and then the cooler box underneath your coffin seat as well. Plush upholstery, spacious lounge seating in the console, and slick finished compartments give the 37 Tournament Edition a level of polish that sets it apart from its peers. From stainless steel, Gemlux hardware, to Acon pop-up cleats, to an all-foam core, every detail of the 37 Tournament Edition is engineered for durability, performance, and craftsmanship. Even the backsides of hatches and inside compartments are finished slick for a refined look. The Onslow Bay 37 Tournament Edition. Power, performance, and precision for those who demand more from their time on the water. When it's time to protect your investment, LaPorte Products has you covered. From custom boat covers to shade kits, our marine grade protection is built to match the same high standards of quality and durability.